Hey, welcome back traders. So doing a live stream today. It is Wednesday, July 30th. It is the second to last day of the month, but because Friday is August 1st, we do have FOMC. We do have NFP on Friday. Today, Wednesday, we do have FOMC in the afternoon. So I don't expect much of price movement here in the morning session. Now we could get something going, but typically the session before FOMC tends to be pretty much sideways. So I don't think it's a good day to do any live trading, but if you are, please be careful. If you're watching this as the recorded video, you guys should subscribe because I'm not exactly sure when I'll go live. I felt like going live tonight, so here I am. And if you are in the chat, if you happen to be in there, I will respond to you, answer questions and everything. But if you're not here, if I don't see any responses in the chats, then I'm gonna be pretty much quiet and just watching the price action right now. I am gonna go ahead and give you like my higher time frame analysis. And if things look a little bit different, I am on NinjaTrader. Now I'm participating in, let's go ahead and pull this up here. I'm participating in this 5-day arena challenge or whatever. It is for free, so I just went ahead and signed up. I thought it was going to be pretty fun, pretty interesting. And yeah, so I'm here with 4,000 as my P&L for the week, 220th out of 1,500 people. But first place, as you can see, is close to 90,000. I have no idea how these guys are like so up there. You got to be like trading every session, maybe every hour, and then like getting good wins. Maybe they're just really good traders. So anyways, I'm sitting here at 4,000. I don't expect to win the whole thing. If you are the top 10, you do get a little bit of money, but I don't really expect anything. I'm just doing this for fun. So we'll just see how much of a P&L I can rack up in this challenge. But here we go, taking a look at NinjaTrader. Now, you can see I made some trades the past couple of days. If you are watching this and you know how to get rid of these trade arrows, let me know because they're pretty annoying. I don't like seeing them on my charts, but I went through all the options. I'm not exactly sure where the option is to toggle these off, but anyways, if you can ignore the arrows somehow, we're looking at the price here. Yesterday we did make a new all-time high, but then you can see like pretty much immediately we did fall down. This is the 1 hour chart, by the way, and let me go ahead and put my highlighter. So this here is the 1 hour chart. I have the 15-minute chart here, and then here is the 5-minute chart, and it is 9:30, so you can see this is going to be moving pretty quickly. Market is open now. Now on the 1 hour chart, you can see that we're kind of just going sideways here, but I want to see a rally up into, let's say, this fair value gap, for example. And then I'm looking for lower prices below this low. In fact, I'm looking for this low all the way down here, but I'm not going to really be going in until we see a sweep of the buy side here. We do see relative equal highs. Price is initially dipping down at the moment. I wonder if there's any way I can like zoom out here. I feel like it's a little bit close. Oh well. As you can tell, I'm not used to NinjaTrader, so here we go. That looks a little bit better for the 5. For the 15, I guess 15 and 1 hour is okay. Let me know in the comments if this is hard to see here. But anyways, I'm gonna be here with you, but I'm pretty much just chilling here. Just gonna be a little quiet. But anyways, that's kind of the plan here. The reason why I'm going for this low is because if you saw my market outlook, I do on my higher time frame analysis on the daily chart, I'm looking for lower prices going into a daily BISI. And since we've already made all-time highs and it doesn't look like we're really displacing to the upside, it kind of looked like we're just taking out some of the buy side, and we may be doing a little bit of retracement now on the higher time frame. So I am gonna be bearish today, but with this sideways action, I'm waiting for a manipulative move above these highs, kind of like a trap, and then I'll try to get in somewhere up here. It's a little hard to see on the 15-minute, but yeah, I'll let you guys know if I get in. You'll hear maybe you'll see it right here if I get in on the trade or not. But yeah, anyways, just make sure you subscribe so you'll get notifications on when I go live. If I do go live, it will be at 9:30 and I'll be here for about an hour and a half. I think 11 o'clock is when I'll hop off, but let's go ahead and just watch the charts, guys. Okay, so you can see on the 5-minute, we did go down initially, but with this long wick here, in the first 5-minute about to close, I'm looking for price to go up for the highs. So I think it's actually not a bad place right here to go ahead and take some longs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some just for like kind of a scalp here. So I want to see price maybe take out some highs here, and I'll just scale out. I'm looking for price to actually come up here into this 1 hour fair value gap. So I think once we go up here, be about 10 points or so, I think I can go ahead and kind of scale off a little bit. Or maybe I'll give it a little bit more time. Okay, so I don't want to see this high get taken out, although see on the 15-minute, you can see 15-minute we have these relative equal highs. I don't want to see that get taken out first before like exiting some positions, and I think we'll take 3 off if we pop up above these relative equal highs here, and then I'll look to see if we get into this fair value gap on the 1 hour. Yeah, you can see on the 5-minute we went down. You can see big bounce here. So this was definitely a trap right here. And I'm going to go up above these relative equal highs. Remember, FOMC, I'm not looking for like a huge move. I expect price to pretty much just go sideways. So we may not go much higher after taking out these relative equal highs. So that's why I'm going to try and scale off if we do get above those. Now I can actually go ahead and scale off 1 here because it looks like we went above this high, but we're kind of just like iffy here. Where am I actually in? I'm in at 490, so I'm pretty much like break even right now. I don't expect price to go below this low because we just had a stop hunt. I'm kind of wanting to see relative equal highs above these right here. So this would be around 523 or so, 524. I think if we hit that, I'll go ahead and scale out 3 contracts, but just waiting right now. So it's coming back down into this fair value gap here. I'm thinking it's going to use this fair value gap as inversion. So it's just kind of working in here a little bit, probably use it as support, and it will probably bump up for those relative equal highs here. So where did I get it in at 490? I guess I can not that be. Oh, I need to actually set my stops. All right, so let me see if I do a stop market, and I'm long, so I want to do sell stops. I don't know. I guess I could, but you know what? I'm not going to. Just going to give it a little bit of time. I think today is not going to be, you know, like a fast moving day, maybe a little choppy, but. I mean, if you look at the 5-minute, look at this. This is an entire 5-minute candle, right? So we did go above these highs. We could come back down here. I don't expect this low to get taken, but we could probably go to 50% of this wick. So not too worried. Plus, this is not trading advice, guys, if you are watching this live. So yeah, don't take this trade. This is not even a real account. It's a simulated account. I'm just doing like the Ninja Trader Arena challenge or whatever. So even if I lose here, it's not real money, guys. So you can see like huge wick to the downside, huge wick to the upside. Typical FOMC morning session. All right, so let me go ahead and set the limit order, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself a drink here. Let's see, we'll do 23.524, and we'll set 3 sell limit orders. Maybe they'll get hit while I'm gone. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? I guess it went up above these highs once again. Huh, I don't know why my... Oh, you see how I have the highlighted thing? It disappears on this chart here. Anyways, it went up above these highs, but came back down. I guess it will retrace back into this wick, 50%, but I don't really think I missed anything. So yeah. It's gonna be a slow day. If it's really slow, I may drop off early. Let's just take a quick look at, let's say, the 3-minute chart. Yeah, very choppy. 2-minute, is it gonna look better? I guess on the 2-minute, you can see this fair value gap here. We whipped into it, but no 2-minute bodies. And it looks like the bodies here kind of stopping at the low of this fair value gap. So maybe it's using this as inversion. Go down to the 1-minute, see if that will give us a little bit more detail. Very choppy, but on the 1-minute, you can see 1-minute fair value gap here. We do have some bodies, but it kind of went down into this order block here, these 3 candles. And the wicks going into this fair value gap, using it as inversion. So far it's looking okay. It's just very slow today. Now, I would like to see a closure above 50% of this wick. That will tell me that it could be a little bit stronger. We are coming up here, 30 seconds left on this last 5-minute candle. And then if we can actually get a closure above this high, that will be even better. I'll be pretty confident that we're going to go above these relative equal highs here. Alright, so I got an alert set. It should go off soon. As we pop above this high and we go higher. Okay, so if we get a little bit of displacement to the upside, I'll have my stop around 23,485. I'd like to see this push up a little bit higher, please. I do have my order sitting at kind of hard to see, I suppose, but at 524, so just a little bit below this line here. I have 3 orders set, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set 2 stop loss orders.
Order filled.
I guess we'll do stop loss order at, what was it I say? 485. So we'll do stop loss orders here.
Order submitted.
But I'm going to go ahead and change it to break even. So I'm right at break even at 490. Okay. Anyway, so this could be it here. This could be it. Let's check it out. Where is that 1 hour fair value gap? 1 hour fair value gap. If we can get up here, that would be nice, but we don't have to. That looks to be around 542. But yeah, if it comes out, stop me out break even. At least I got 3 contracts out. And it's looking like it's gonna be pretty choppy. So, but I have my last 2 contract break even. If we get above this high, then I may think about taking off 1 more contract. I'll just manually sell these. Let's see if I can adjust this, make it look a bit better for you guys. Maybe something like this, perhaps. gosh, I really want to know how to get rid of these arrows here. I'll try to figure them out as we are watching price here.
Order filled.
Oh, I just got stopped out break even. And you can see the 1 hour chart is like pretty indecisive. Let's take a pull my account here. Alright, so here we go. Just you can see this is the, make it smaller, make it bigger. Anyways, I hope you can see this 5-day challenge simulated account, of course, but about $2,000. So making my way up there, but you know, I don't think I'm gonna catch that 90,000 first place guy. And my only hope is that they'll get too greedy and just like blow out or something. Anyways, so let's move that out of the way. And we'll just watch for, I guess, our next opportunity. We don't necessarily have to go up here for that 1 hour fair value gap. So this could be it, and we may be heading towards the downside. But I think as long as I don't see a 5-minute fair value gap, there's no reason to enter. FOMC, there's really no reason to enter. I should just play it safe and just took everything off above these highs, because now I'm not sure where we're going to be going. The downside doesn't look that great. The upside is probably like where I'm looking for, but only to retrace back up here. I don't really see us like going higher and higher. So. So I'm monitoring on whether or not price is going to hold up at 50% of this 5-minute wick. Right now, it's pretty much just going sideways. You know, not much action here before FOMC. I guess I should have played it safe and just went ahead and take everything off above these relative highs, because you know, ultimately I'm not bullish. I think price is going to go lower, and I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a daily chart real quick just to show you guys what I'm talking about here. Okay, here we go. So gosh, how can I get rid of these arrows? All right guys, okay, one sec. I'm gonna go back to a 5-minute here, and off screen I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of research on how to take these arrows off. All right, I just realized I had all that rambling without the mic turned on. Oh, okay. If you saw me on the weekly, basically I'm looking for a retracement to the weekly fair value gap, but on the daily there was that gap right there. Let me go ahead and show it one more time. I can't believe I had my mic off the whole time I was talking. I said some really good shit. So on the daily we have this volume balance. If we have retracement, we may come down to that. However, we are currently working in this daily volume balance, so it's gonna be pretty hectic today. Remember, it is FOMC in this afternoon, and yesterday, even though it doesn't look like a really big move, we had a pretty dramatic move yesterday, and usually the day after we're not going to have much action, plus the session before FOMC. That is double trouble. You're not gonna get good trades today. It's going to be very choppy. If you do try to trade, you better take your profits quickly. Scalp only. Do not try to hold, because it's going to come back and retrace after you. Because look at this on the 5-minute here. All these candles overlapping. This wick right here. I mean, even though we did go up, these are just wicks. These are just wicks. All the bodies are overlapping. It's pretty much a big fat barcode. Now, let's go ahead and take a look as price is coming into this wick. We are close to 50%, and we hold as support and go for higher prices. I gotta be honest with you guys, the action is not great. Action is not great. I'm not really excited about sitting here for another hour and a half. It's the last week of the month. Non-farm payroll Friday, non-farm payroll week, and well, there was good volatility yesterday. The day after usually doesn't have a lot of volatility, so I don't think it's a good day to trade with real money. In fact, I would say take the entire week off. Go spend time with your family, your friends, take care of your pets, do whatever you can to get off the charts, because this week you're not going to get a big significant move. It pretty much will just go sideways. Now FOMC may, you know, like reprice really high or really low, but that's pretty much a gamble, right? It's manual intervention. It's not algorithmic. So I wouldn't bet on anything. Be safe with your money. Now I'm trading with a paper trading account here, so I can afford to take risks because this doesn't cost me anything. It's a free competition. And if you guys like to just, you know, practice some competition trading, go ahead, join the Ninja Trader competitions. But honestly, I've experienced it a little bit that I don't think it's really good for normal trading, because with competition trading, it's like in order to get first place, you pretty much have to YOLO on a trade. Pretty much bet the house. If it goes up in your favor, great. You're gonna maybe place in the top 10 or so. Maybe you got to do that 2 or 3 times, get lucky, and then you'll be in the runnings for first place. But that's not what you want to do in trading. You want to play it safe. With your real money account, you want to manage your risk and play it safe. It's not worth YOLOing and risk blowing up your account, because in a competition, maybe you have a 50-50 chance on getting first place with the YOLO strategy, but you do not want to have a 50-50 chance to blow your entire savings on a trade. So if you're trading with real money, you definitely do not want to trade this way. Competition trading, well, with a simulated account and real live money trading is completely different. Completely different. I mean, I haven't experienced competition trading very much, but I'm a pretty good strategist when it comes to, like, well, game theory. And yeah, I think that's the way to do it, but it's a pretty high risk, high reward strategy. And of course, the high risk is blowing your account. So you do not want to do that with a real money account. So anyways, rant's over. Let's go ahead and just check the chart. It does look like it went down to 50% of this wick. It did bounce up quite a bit. We are coming up, well, actually it's just the start of the next 5-minute candle, so we'll see how it goes. I could come back to 75% of this wick. That would be fine too, but if this low gets taken out, this high may be all that we get. On the 15-minute, you can see that we do kind of have a 3 drives pattern, taking out the buy side liquidity once, 2, and 3 times. So if that happens, we may, on the 1 hour chart here, be heading, oh my gosh, let me go ahead and zoom out. Wow, these lines are actually hard. How did I get rid of these? These lines are hard to tell what's going on, but I'm looking for price to come back down below these relative equal lows. Actually, why can't I go back more? Let me see if we can go on to a, wow, Ninja Trader doesn't have a 4-hour chart. Can I customize this? I don't know. I don't know how to do it, guys. But yeah, I'm looking for price to come for this low today, but because it's a session before FOMC, I kind of just expect price to just go sideways some more. You can see on the 1-hour chart, from starting from here, we did come take out the buy side, then we came and take out the sell side, and then we came in and take out the buy side. Maybe now we'll come and take out the sell side, and then maybe we go and take out the buy side. So kind of a broadening pattern at the moment. All right, so this is what the hourly chart looks like right now. Zoom in. you